In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money using ChatGPT, which is a brand new AI software that can allow you to create different types of articles. You can send out emails. You can even create different types of product reviews. This AI software is literally taking the world by storm, and I want to show you one of the easiest ways that you can use ChatGPT to make money using 100% free traffic without having to do a lot of the work yourself. Basically, I'm going to show you how to use a website that's going to get you hundreds of thousands of views and exposure if you do exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you want to do is come over to this website called openai.com and create an account. So you just want to come over here and scroll down and click Try ChatGPT and sign up. Once you sign up, it's going to bring you to a home page. This is basically your dashboard. And if you look here, it's going to give you some examples of exactly how the software works. And this is basically where you're going to type in your questions like best tips for healthy weight loss, top 5 push-ups to build your chest, benefits of staying properly hydrated. You can get it to write product reviews, YouTube scripts, etc. I'll show you how to use this in more detail in just a bit, but now we're going to move on to the second step so you can start making money with this. And one of the best ways to do that using this software is to write simple, low competition blogs. But I'm going to show you how to leverage off a website where you don't necessarily need to have your own website. So the first thing that we need to do is a little bit of research before we get this tool to do anything for us. So what you want to do is go over to Google and type in something like low competition niches for blogs. And then you just want to scroll down and open up some of these articles. One of the articles I found was Ali Dropship, Most Profitable Niches with Low Competition 2023 edition. And you can scroll down and find a table of contents with a list of profitable low competition niches. The one I picked was eco-friendly products. And a lot of people that are looking for these products are people that are interested in the environment. So these products are doing remarkably well. And what you want to be doing is writing articles on these eco-friendly products. But if you don't have a website, you can't rank for it. That's where this magic trick is going to come in, and this is what's going to help you make money with ChatGPT. If we scroll down here and take a look at Google Trends, this is always trending up, so people are always interested in this kind of stuff. So the only thing that you want to do is find the right product. We can also look at some information from Ahrefs, which is a website that shows you how things rank on Google. So when you take a look at certain keywords like eco-friendly products, it's a low competition keyword. However, the search volume is good, and it's good in tier 1 countries like the United States. What that means is that if you're promoting an eco-friendly product on a site that can rank #1 on Google, and you've got that product linked in that article that ChatGPT is going to write for you, then you stand a real good chance of making money online with this software. So we know that eco-friendly products do well, and we know that the competition isn't great. And we also know that the search volume is good, so we're ticking all the boxes. So now we want to go to Google and type in eco-friendly affiliate programs. And we're just going to open this article up. 16 eco-friendly affiliate programs you can promote today. And then you just want to scroll down and take a look at all of these different types of products. One that I found interesting was this one here called diaper. This is basically an eco-friendly diaper for babies, and people that have kids know that you go through a lot of diapers. They want to get rid of them, but they also want to be eco-friendly. It's made with material that's allergy free, so it's good for the baby and the environment. So a lot of these products do really well. So now what you want to do is access Diapers affiliate program. So just click here, and that's going to bring you over to this page. Just click join affiliate program. Then all you need to do is sign up to be an affiliate. Once you become an affiliate of this product, we need to write a review. And once we write a review, I'm going to show you exactly where to post this so you can make money with ChatGPT. So now we need to come over to the site and copy premium bamboo diapers. And then we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and we're just going to ask it to write a blog article review on premium bamboo diapers. And now we're going to click on this little arrow, and ChatGPT is going to start writing a complete review on this particular product. And depending on how long you want this article to be, I will recommend you do between 1,000 to 2,000 words. So once it stops, what we're going to do is ask it to write a little bit more, because we want to have a comprehensive blog article about this product. And once this is actually finished, we're going to insert our affiliate links inside this article. So now that it's done, we want to say, can you make this longer? And then ChatGPT is going to make it longer for us. And once everything is complete and final, you just want to check it for plagiarism just in case. You can use a website like Copyscape, it just costs a few cents. And if there's any plagiarism found, you can just come back and make the adjustments yourself if you have to. So now what we want to do is just copy this. And we've got our article and we've also got our affiliate link. So now what we need to do is find a site that could potentially rank our article on the front page of Google. So what we want to do is come over to a website called medium.com. And this is the website that will allow you to post articles and place links to different types of products in those articles. And I'm going to show you which products are allowed to promote and which products are not. So the first thing that you want to do is sign up and create an account. Once you sign up, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you just want to go up here into the upper right and click write. And then we're just going to go here and paste the article that ChatGPT has written for us. And then we just want to scroll back up and put in the title. So I'm just going to go here. And remember, eco-friendly is the keyword that we want our article to rank for. So we need to make sure that we have eco-friendly in the title. So eco-friendly. So we'll just title it Eco-Friendly Bamboo Diapers. And I will also recommend that you put eco-friendly throughout the article to give it the best opportunity to rank on Google. So the next thing that we want to make sure that we're doing is adding our affiliate link. And I want to show you the rules on Medium about links. If we look here, you see it says you must disclose affiliate links. Affiliate links such as link out to Amazon with your code or any other link out where you will receive a commission or other value are allowed in post. And if we look here, we'll see the multi-level or affiliate marketing content is not allowed. Basically, if you're doing reviews on products from Amazon and stuff like that, where people can get a physical product and you're giving them a lot of value, that's allowed according to the rules. But you need to make sure that you have a disclaimer inside your article telling people that you may receive a commission as per the FTC rules and guidelines. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So when you come back to the article, you want to add your affiliate link and you want to tell people that they can get access to the product. So I'm just going to put it in here. So I just typed in, if you would like to purchase premium bamboo diapers that are free from chlorine, latex, alcohol, lotions, TBT, etc., click on the link right now to get access. And then what you can do is just highlight this, and then you would just click on this little link chain, and this is where you will enter your affiliate link. Now once you add your affiliate link, then you need to add a simple affiliate disclaimer telling people that you're going to receive a commission and there are affiliate links in the article and products you're promoting. This is per the FTC guidelines. And if you want, you could put it right under here. You can just enter. And if you want to, you can go ahead and highlight this and you can make it italic if you want. And you don't really have to do anything else. I just put note, the following article contains affiliate links and offers. If you purchase any of the offers, I may receive a commission. And it doesn't have to be under your affiliate link. It could be at the bottom of the article if you want. It's completely up to you. Just make sure that you've got it inside the article. And then you will simply click publish. And Medium is going to take a quick look at it to review it. And once it's published, it's going to be indexed by Google. Potentially, especially if you put your keyword throughout the article, you could rank for the front page of Google. Medium is a powerful website. There's a lot of different articles on Medium that's ranking #1 on Google, which makes it one of the best ways to use ChatGPT to make money online. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.